Hello composers, Mike here. How can you transpose audio clips or even individual notes inside your audio recordings in Logic Pro X? Let me show you right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. Transposing audio means shifting the pitch of an entire clip or individual notes inside the clip. So let's listen to this little simple melody I created. Where I simply hummed in the main melody that the piano played here. So let's remove the click track. And the way you use Transpose is you can access it directly in the track inspector up here and simply transpose it up, for example, a seminote, 2 seminotes, which of course will make it sound out of key. However, let's say you want to transpose your entire track to another key. So let's say we take all these tracks except the drums, of course, and transpose those up a seminote like so. Now it will sound out of key, so you can simply go here to this track and do the same here. Transpose it up 1 seminote, and now it's back to sounding, well, as good as this little track can sound at least. Now, what you can do instead of using the transpose in the track inspector up here on the entire clip is to activate the flex pitch editor. So if I double click here to get into the editor, you can see that I already used the flex time editor to quantize the part here so that it sounds perfectly in time. But I can also go up here and select flex pitch, which brings up the flex pitch editor. You might get a warning about this when you change to flex pitch, but simply press OK and you will get into this mode. And here you can see the individual notes, drag them around and edit them as you wish. So in this case, you can, for example, select all the notes and then move them up a seminote like so, which is the same as in here, but using the flex pitch editor, which is more accurate in my opinion than using the transpose audio up in the track inspector. And you can also even use the scale quantize method here in case, for example, you sang a wrong note somewhere in the melody line here. Now here's my power tip for you, and that is when you use the flex pitch editor, not only will you get better results in the audio processing compared to the region inspector when you, for example, select all notes and drag up or down, because you can actually select and drag individual notes up or down to either correct the notes to the scale or even create new harmonies this way. Please like, share and comment on this video to support my channel, and I will see you in the next video, my friends. Check out my complete video series on Logic Pro X tutorials and tips here on my channel. Learn and master Logic Pro X to boost your music composition and production workflow.